Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to create viral shorts with AI. We'll be using Klap AI, and as you can see, we're currently here. We have the link to Klap AI in the description below so you can get a head start, and you can also use the promo code to get more perks. You want to go ahead and click on get started. We have the login option if you do have your account already, but we can go ahead and click on get started. Let's assume this is your first time. You of course can use your email address and a password by creating a new password, clicking on sign up, or you can go ahead and click sign with Google. Of course, you want to choose your desired Google address if you have multiple. Go ahead and click on continue to confirm your selection. So now we're going to put in a YouTube link of a long video, hoping to get viral shorts from that video. So we just pasted the link to a Google Gemini 2025 keynote address for updates. And of course, you can see it right here in the preview, and you can see also some presets. You have the rainbow option, you have the classic option, the Jimmy option. So we can choose that. And then you're going to set the duration. It can be on auto if you want, or you could choose 1 minute for YouTube Shorts. And then you have language. We're going to leave it at English. Reframe is toggled on, and the dimensions is in portrait. You have the hook turned on, captions, and emojis, right? So all of these look good, and we can see create up to 10 shorts from your video. So go ahead and click on create shorts. You can see it's currently in 1%. We're going to give it a moment to complete. And of course, if you want to be notified when it's ready, you can toggle this on, but we'll be just patient with it here. You can also see it's going to take about 8 minutes, and this is why this option might be important. However, we'll be leaving this tab open, and in your case, you could go ahead and do other things and come back at a later time. And there you have it. You can see here we have 13 shorts generated from a YouTube channel. You can see this is how Gemini app transforms AI into personal assistant. And you can see we have other options right here. This is 1 minute and 20 seconds. When we come over here, this is 1 minute and 7 seconds. And when we come over here, this is another option which we want to have under a minute. And you can also see the virality score. This is 78 over 100. If we go up, we can see a better virality score. So obviously this lists the video shorts in priority of the highest virality scores. This is great, and you can also see it provides you with a transcript. You can choose to publish this, download in HD, or edit it.
But it's really about a mom and what happens when her child is born with a hole in her heart. We filmed really emotional performances, but then generated video we could never capture otherwise.
So there you have your option to create viral shorts with AI using Klap AI. Don't forget to check out the link to Klap AI in the description below to get a head start and enjoy the services. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.